How could we survive on Mars? Science fiction. Outer space explore has been very popular topic in this decade for Hollywood movies and shows. It seems like everyone has Mars on minds these days. It also does a great job in helping people understand how would be the future mission look like. With movies like The Martian and Life exploring what we might find once we finally reach Mars. Several pieces of technology showed in the movie Martians are accurate to the kind of equipment astronauts on the planet could use. Research teams. Both NASA and SpaceX are working to explore the Red Planet to have people there by 2024. But according to the scientists, we are still far off and likely won't see Mars colonized in our lifetimes. Landing on Mars. Reaching Mars is also a big challenge for now. There are only 2 countries that has been successful to land a spacecraft on Mars. In addition to that, landing safely on the surface for big spacecrafts can also be a big challenge. Scientists have worked out to suggest some solution for the problem. Mars atmosphere. The atmosphere on Mars is equivalent to 1% of the Earth's at sea levels and is mostly carbon dioxide. Plus, the gravity is nearly 38% of Earth's. Mars's average daily temperature is -50 degrees Celsius. Thus, it will require a huge amount of energy to keep us warm. The day-night cycle is almost the same as Earth's. Habitats. NASA have already started working on what kind of habitats we'll need in order to survive on the surface. 6 other companies are also involved. Habitats have to be self-sustaining, sealed against the thin atmosphere and capable of supporting life without regular support from Earth. Food and water. Humans need vast amount of water for daily basis and it won't be difficult as Mars's soil has quite a lot of ice on it. Plants can be grown in space as well, but it requires water, growing substrate, essential gases and pressure container as plants can't grow on the freezing surface. Health. Our bodies work differently in space, even the way our blood flows because of the vacuum. There is also massive amounts of radiation to be protected from. Apart from physical changes, isolation, confinement, and no privacy with long travel can lead to mental health problems. We just need to adapt to survive off the Earth as we have the perfect tools to survive nearly anywhere. NASA is not the only that have been working on this. Others are also working on the plans to land on the Red Planet. This would be our first step into exploring planet other than our own in the solar system, as we have the space left for us. Are you interested in movies based on the space programs too? Let us know in the comments below.